Today, I used science while I was making some bread. It started out with measuring out some yeast. Yeast is actually a living organism. It's a type of fungus, and you activate the yeast by soaking it in warm water with sugar. This makes the yeast wake up from a dried and dormant state, and then it will start eating the sugar. As it digests the sugar, it produces carbon dioxide gas and a type of alcohol through a process called fermentation. It's these gas bubbles that we're really after when we use yeast in baking. You can see after I let the yeast sit for a while, it gets really foamy with all this carbon dioxide gas. And as I let it sit even longer, it gets even more foamy. And we use this carbon dioxide in the process of fermentation to make bread rise when we are baking bread. So when I add this yeast mixture to my other ingredients for bread, like flour and eggs and milk, we get a combination where the yeast will digest some of those sugars and produce carbon dioxide gas that will then make the bread fluffy. And you can see here, this is after I have mixed my ingredients, and I'm going to cover it up with like a wet towel in a warm location, and after I let it rise, you can see that it's grown quite a bit. And so now my ingredients are much bigger than they were before, and that means that my bread has risen and has carbon dioxide in it, and so when I bake it, it's going to get nice and fluffy. How will you use science this week? Share it with us at Pagona Peak.